Hi children, now we are going to do a very interesting exercise. What is that? Look here. Find the action word. You will have a puzzle-like thing. Identify action words. Yes, very interesting. And together with that, what are we learning? We are learning to read. When you are identifying and you are spelling, you are also learning to read. Spell and read. Good. Let's look at our first puzzle and let's find the action words. All right? Look. Look carefully. Look at this. Whole lot of letters are there. All right? Let's find. Can you? Look at the first row. Can you find any action word here? Read. R-E-A-D. What is R-E-A-D? Read. Action word. What are you doing? I'm reading. So read is an action word, so we circle it. Let's look for some more. Okay? Okay. In the next word here, we do not have any. Let's look at this row. W-R-I-T-E. What is that? W-R-I-T-E? Right. Is that an action word? Yes. You write your homework. You write whatever you have to. So we circled this too. So we found two action words. Read, write. Good. W-R-I-T-E. Write. You must write neatly, write correctly. Yes. Very good. Let's go down. Now, we'll go from row to row, checking. Okay? R, B, W, C, no. Here. E, R, R, S, no. Here. A, S, I. Can you find one here? Come on, tell me what is that? S, I, T. Good. That's a S, I, T is what? Sit. So we found an action word here. S, I, T. Sit. Very good. So we found a action word here. S-I-T. Sit. What do we do now? We circle the word. We put a circle on S-I-T. Sit. Good. Very good. So we found an action word. Let's go to the next row. D-V-T-N-V. No, nothing. Okay. E-N-E-G-O. No. Let's go to the last row. S-T-A-N-D. Yes, S-T-A-N-D. What is that? Stand. Very good. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. How many action word did we find here? Read, write, sit, and stand. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise? It's a lovely exercise, isn't it? You not only spelled, but you also read the word. Read, write, sit, stand. So together with finding, you're also learning to spell and identify action word. Good. Shall we take another? Yes, let's go to another exercise and enjoy finding action words. Here we have a lot of words are here. Let's go row by row. C-L-E-A-N-P. Can you find any? C-L-E-A-N. What is that? Clean. Yes. You clean the table, you clean yourself, you clean the floor. Yes, you clean the garden, you clean your cupboard. Clean. So that is an action word and we circled it. Very good. Let's go to the next row. S-E-T-C-N-L. Can you find any word? No. Next row. L-A-T-T-I. No. Good. Next row. E-R-I-N-O-Y. Did you find any? Next. E-N-S-A-N-T. Did you find any? Last row, let's look. P-S-H-O-U-T. Can you find any word here? S-H-O-U-T. Shout, yes. We found another word, yes. S-H-O-U-T, shout. Now look, we found clean, shout. When do you shout? You find your friend passing by, you shout and say, please come. Yes? Yes. So we found clean, shout. Now, let's go from top to bottom, checking to find some more action word. C S L E E P. Is there any word here? S L E E P. What is that? Sleep. Yes, we found another word. S L E E P. Sleep. Is sleep an action word? Yes. Sleep is an action word and we circle that. Very good. Let's go on to the next row. Learn. What is that? Learn. Learn. Yes, you learn to read, you learn to dance, you learn. So we circle the word learn. Learn to write, you learn to skip. Learn. So we found sleep and learn. Let's go to the next row. Ettish. Anything? Next row. Actnao. Any word? ACT. Act. You can act. Acting on the stage, you act. Pretend to be someone. Act, we found. Very good. Let's go to the next row. NNION. Nothing. Let's go to the last row. PLANT. PLAYT. PLAY. Yes, the first four letters. PLAY. Play. Good. Is play an action word? Let's look at all the action words we found. First, clean, neck, shout. Next we found sleep. Then learn. Very good. Act. And play. You go to play, isn't it? So we found so many action words. Did you enjoy reading and finding the action word?